Choose an egg. Double tap to hatch it. Ooh, it's hatching. It hatched. Whoa. Comment what you got.